Are you noticing less firmness around your lower face and jawline area, just making you look more tired and less like yourself? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 4 tips to define that jawline area and tighten up your neck all naturally. Firstly, let's discuss why we get sagging around the jaw area as we age. Well, first up, we lose collagen and elastin, which are the key proteins keeping our skin nice and bouncy. The second thing that happens is our fat pads start to go downwards, giving that sagginess in the area. And finally, our skin tends to thin out as we age, which then causes sagginess. So what we want to do is we want to focus on increasing that collagen and elastin production. We want to tone up our facial muscles to really lift the area. And then we want to work on our skin on a cellular level to really rejuvenate it. Microcurrent devices have been around for a long time, and the feedback is that when used consistently, they can really make a difference to tone up your face, including your jawline area. Now, these devices work by sending electrical signals to your muscles, giving them a mini workout. So just like when you work out your body and you tone up, it can do the same thing for your face. And then we have red light devices that basically send low-level lights into your skin to promote that collagen and elastin production. It helps with blood circulation and with cell repair. So it can be really useful for those jowls. And then you'll definitely want to consider microneedling, because by creating these micro injuries to your skin, it will encourage both collagen and elastin production, tightening and firming that area. You can do this from home or in a clinic, but to get the best results, definitely considering doing this regularly. Cryotherapy is when you expose your skin to really cold temperatures, and this is very useful because it will lower inflammation, increase collagen production, and also work with cellular rejuvenation. Now, this all helps with tightening and firming that skin, which is great for jowls. Now, you can use ice globes that you can buy on Amazon, for instance, or you could even have it done professionally. Speaking of cryotherapy, also consider having ice cold showers, because this will kickstart your circulation, both your blood flow, your lymph flow. It will help with any kind of congestion and puffiness around the jawline area. Not only this also works on a full body level, rejuvenating your cells. Now, there's many different ingredients that will boost your collagen production, but today I'm going to be talking about 2 main ingredients that are fantastic for the jawline and neck area. The number 1 is your vitamin A, that's also called tretinoin or retinol. Now, this is the gold standard of all anti-aging ingredients because it's been proven to increase cell turnover and also to increase that collagen and elastin production, tightening and firming up that area. Second ingredient are peptides. Now, these are proteins that signal your cells to produce more collagen and elastin to tighten and firm that area. Now, a great product for this is the Ordinary's Buffet Serum. I think it has another name now, but regardless, this is a good mixture of different peptides at a very reasonable price. Facial exercise and facial yoga can be incredibly effective for the neck and jawline area. They will sculpt the muscles and also increase circulation, both of which tighten and firm the skin. Now, you'll want to do these pretty much on a daily basis and ideally combine with myofascial release, which is pretty much massage movements either with your hands or, for instance, with a gua sha roller to release tired muscles, which will really help with the look of jowls. And now let's discuss a couple of really easy exercises to tone up your neck and jawline area. The first one is the head tilt. Tilt your head backwards and then look upwards towards the ceiling. Pucker your lips as if you're trying to kiss the ceiling and hold for 5 seconds. Then repeat between 10 to 30 times. The second exercise is the jaw lift. So with your mouth closed, push your jaw slightly forward and lift your lower lip. Then hold this for about 10 seconds, relax, and then repeat between 10 to 30 times. And then, of course, we want to focus on our foods, making sure we're eating the right things, because this forms the basis of good skin. We literally become what we eat. So focus on your whole foods, your proteins, good fats, and your vegetables. And really avoid those processed foods because they will age you. And then you'll definitely want to consider taking a collagen supplement, which is basically a peptide. This will give your body the building blocks it needs to produce more collagen and elastin to firm and tighten that neck and jawline area. Go for a high quality supplement that's also hydrolyzed, which means that your body can absorb it better. Now, if you want to learn more about peptides and how you can produce these naturally on your body, I would recommend you next watch my video on peptides. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for weekly tips on well-being and beauty.